Welcome. This is Joshua Benoist in Autodesk Product Support, and we're talking about Video 8, how to use Parametric Part Builder to make multi-view parts. So let's look at the problem statement. Pause the video if you need to read that, and let's move on.
Okay, we're on our 8th video. So anyway, we've made the 4-point references on this upper plane. And I want to get that center point nailed down as well. So let's go ahead and just add that one while we're at it. There we go. So now we just need to draw another profile up here. Add profile, rectangular. You know what? We really need to do this from plan view. So let's change this back to plan view real quick. And let's go back and hide everybody from that work plane. Okay. Now we can make our profile. Rectangular from here to there. Okay. Let's go back to 3D view, Southwest ISO. Let's turn on the bottom plane. Which also happens to turn off the top plane of contents also. So we just need to rehide those. Okay. So now we can do our extrusion. Go back to modifiers, add transition, select start profile, select end profile. There we go. So there's our main body. Now let's go back and let's hide the bottom plane and hide the upper plane. Turn on the top plane. So we got to redo that. Okay, so now we've got our top plane back here. We just basically needed to extrude along that path that we defined. Where is it? Let's go back to plan view. Okay. So notice our green point is the center point of our extrusion there. And I don't see that point right there. Yeah, we gotta turn those back on. Alright. So what we need to do, we need to probably change this to 0. That's why that's off by an inch. So let's go back to our model parameters, edit it, and change length A6 to 0. And it didn't like that. So right now what we'll do is we'll just subtract 1 from length A4. So let's put length A6 back to 1. Take this guy, what was it, length A4? Yeah. Make him 17. Okay, there we go. And then length A1, I think we said that was originally 1 inch. So somehow, somewhere here, I messed that one up. This guy needs to be 1. There we go. So that's the extrusion path that we wanted. Let's extrude this rectangle along that path. In order to do that, go back to top plane and say, wrong. Go to modifiers, say add path. So these are the 3 types that we were talking about. We were going to do a transition between 2 planes, a path, which we're going to do right now. Down at the bottom it says select path geometry. Here's the path itself. Select profile. It's going to be this guy. in profile or enter. It's going to be the same, so hit enter. So there, it added our extrusion on there. Let's go back to Southwest ISO. Now you can see how we added this extrusion on the face of the main body here. So we followed this path, extruded that rectangle along that path, and